everyone, hope you guys are doing well, and this is the second part of drawing Ariana Grande in my style video. And if you haven't watched my first part of this video, so you can just click on the I button, and the link is also given in the comment section. So let's get started and hope for the best. So let's start with applying masking tape on the paper for making it more stable. And these are my graphite pencil or fabric pencil, which I'm gonna use for the first drawing of this collage. It's already 6:30 p.m. in the evenings, and let's see how much I can complete it before going to the bed.
Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working.
This one is already about to complete, and it's only been 1 hour yet. So let's move to the next one.
Shaky and I'm
So it's coloring time, and here I'm using Faber-Castell polychrome color pencils. If you want to learn about drawing skin with color pencils, watch my proper tutorial video, link is given in the I button. This background took more time than expected, and now it's completed, so let's move to the third one. And now it's 11:30 p.m. and I'm gonna sleep only after completing it. So let's continue.
I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost, yeah, your blue eyes, all my plans reversing. You know that.
Okay, now it's completed. So good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning everyone, and I just received my parcel which I ordered few days back, and let me take it to my room and then I'll open it. So my greedy ass just got another coffee mug, and now I have 2 of these. And wow, they look so cute together. So anyways, let's get back to the work.
Okay, you're crazy is perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you,
So I finally completed them all, and here are the final results. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.